Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jenny P. Bernaldez. I am 28 years old. I am single. I have one children. He's 5 years old and he's a boy. My education attainment is computer literacy. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the 5th of the sibling.
Alright. Please tell me about your working experience.
My working experience in Saudi Arabia from November 2021 to October 2023. My job duties is to take care of 3 children, 1 boy and 2 girls. I will prepare their food and things for school. I will clean the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and car washing.
Alright. What if the baby cries or the children is naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them by playing or sing a song to them. I will be patient, talk to them, and let them calm down and try to listen what they want. If the baby is crying, I check if he's hungry and the diaper is dirty. If the baby gets sick, I will inform my employer first.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
no,
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
no,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you're working?
I sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening and I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes,
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
yes,
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Do you promise to finish your contract?
yes.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to earn money and give my family for their needs and support for them.
Alright. Who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband.
Okay. How about if you feel homesick?
I will do my duties and keep myself busy and vigilant with my family during my rest day.
Okay. What is your message to your employer?
To my future employer, Sir, Madam, please hire me as your own maid. I will do my best to give you the best service. I will be very responsible for doing household chores. I can work with less supervision and under pressure, and I'm willing to learn and follow your instruction. Thank you.